Hey everyone, welcome back to Minimalist Crypto. I just wanted to do a video on Bitcoin, which I haven't done yet on this channel. I wanted to do a quick, simple, to the point video about my views on Bitcoin, where I feel we are currently in the market cycle, um, and possibly a few contrarian viewpoints on that. Excuse me. So, as you can see, chart's pretty simple. I have nothing on it at present apart from the 200 weekly moving average. Um, so my thoughts are this. There's a lot of people getting very bullish in the crypto sphere. We have people saying that the lows are in, that Bitcoin is simply on its way to new all-time highs. Bull run is, if not here, coming soon. And yeah, bottom is in. Bitcoin is out of danger. It's all over. That's not how I see things at all. The way I look at it at present is, if we take a line here, this point is significant resistance and support for Bitcoin. Tested it here, tested it multiple times here, and this is the exact level that we broke down from in June last year. Well, Bitcoin hasn't even taken that out yet. We're only retesting it, simply retesting at present. There's a high chance, and I'll get to the reasons why I say a high chance, that Bitcoin simply does not take out that resistance level and bleeds for the rest of the year to all-time low, or sorry, new lows for this year. If not, just simply retest the lows from earlier. Now, Benjamin Cohen speaks about the idea that we compare this current period with a similar period, which is the lows from last cycle. And his theory is we see a bottom, we see the bears get wrecked, as he puts it, we see the bulls get wrecked, and we don't quite put in a double bottom, but it's not far away. Of course, this is a black swan event with COVID, but you know, close to a double bottom. So everyone at this point expecting us to go lower got wrecked. Everyone at this point expecting continuation got wrecked. And in light of that, we can look at where we are now and say, okay, low is in. Everyone at this point expecting us to go lower has been to some extent wrecked. And at this point, you could guess that those expecting us to go higher are also going to get wrecked as Bitcoin loses this level of resistance and continues down for the rest of this year, putting a nice little double bottom, or maybe bottom and a lower low, before climbing its way back out next year or possibly later this year. That's how I see things. I would agree with that analysis of Benjamin Cohen's. Now the 200 weekly moving average has served as a nice resistance before. We have fallen under it, so at this point it doesn't serve anything particularly substantial for me, although it has held it to this point. But if I was a longer term holder of Bitcoin, I would be most probably unloading right here at this resistance level and just simply sitting in cash waiting to see how things play out. Because if we do get the breakout and we do get the support, retest, and continuation, okay, then I might join the camp that says the lows are in, and we're on our way to the next bull run. And remember, this is the pre-halving year where Bitcoin tends to do well, and in the following year, maybe not so well, but we'll see. But for me, I would be in cash here. I would be generally expecting this to fail, this resistance to be resistance, Bitcoin to bleed to the end of the year, November, December, new low gets put in. At this point, of course, because of human psychology. People will be expecting us to go even lower. Bitcoin's dead, it's over, 5K, 8K, whatever, but won't happen. Bitcoin will do as Bitcoin does. Wreck the bears, wreck the bulls, new low, bounce along for a little bit and recover quite quickly. So that's my outlook. I know it's quite simple, but I don't want it to get complicated. It is minimalist crypto after all, and I'm getting used to this whole YouTube thing at the minute. So bear with me. But for now, that's my thoughts. I will keep you updated as things move. And thanks for joining me. All the best for now.